Let's take a brief look at the Sandisk Extreme SSD. This is the 2 terabyte version. This is the box, and this is what you get inside the box: a connector, a cable, and the drive. The front side, pretty neat. The back also is pretty well done. The labeling is good. The only drawback is the connector, and I would recommend that you get another one. It's about a credit card size, pretty light as well. Prices will be lower on sales like Christmas or New Year. It's also IP55 rated, so that's very different from the other drives available. This is the normal hard disk drive speed, and this is the Sandisk Extreme SSD speed. And now we have the MacBook Pro internal SSD speed. So what do the numbers mean here for the Sandisk Extreme SSD drive? In short, it is giving you almost a 5 times sustained read and write speed of the normal hard disk drive, which is good enough for almost any normal purpose, and you will simply not notice the difference in practice whether you're using the 4 times faster internal SSD or this external one. This drive is good enough to edit and render full HD content at 60 FPS. In short, don't waste your money on a faster SSD drive unless you're working with 4K video or higher. That's it for now. Have fun till the next one.